In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude segments and tags when you send an email in Mailchimp. Whether you're managing a large audience or just want to fine-tune your email campaigns, excluding specific segments or tags can be an incredibly useful feature. It allows you to ensure your emails are reaching the right people while avoiding unnecessary overlap or sending content to those it might not apply to. This is particularly helpful when you're running multiple campaigns or working with a diverse audience. So, let's walk through the process step by step to make it simple and straightforward. First, start by opening your Mailchimp dashboard. This is your main hub for all things email marketing, and it's where you'll manage your campaigns. Once you're logged in, take a moment to review the campaigns you've already created. This will help you identify which email you want to edit or send. Next, locate the email campaign you want to work with. You should see a list of your campaigns in the dashboard. Once you've found the one you want, click on it to open the campaign details. This is where you'll be able to make all the necessary adjustments. Now, click the Edit button. This option allows you to make changes to your email campaign before it's sent. It's always a good idea to double-check everything at this stage to ensure your email is tailored to your goals. From here, you're going to navigate to the Topics to section of the campaign setup. This is where you'll select the audience for your email. It's a critical step because this is where we'll apply the exclusions. Once you're in the To section, you'll need to choose the audience you want to send the email to. This might be your entire list, or it might be a specific group of subscribers. Make sure you're selecting the correct audience, as this will affect the rest of the process. Now comes the key part, excluding specific segments or tags. Under the audience selection, you'll see an option labeled Do Not Send. This is where you can specify which tags or segments you want to exclude from receiving this email. Click on this area and you'll be able to add the tags or segments you don't want included. For example, if you have a segment of customers who've already purchased the product you're promoting, you can exclude them here to avoid redundancy. Take a moment to review your exclusions. Double-check that you've added the correct tags or segments to the Do Not Send section. It's important to be thorough here so that you don't accidentally exclude the wrong group of people or leave out an important exclusion. Once you've finalized your exclusions, use the preview option to confirm your audience adjustments. This is a great way to ensure everything looks correct before you send your email. You'll want to verify that the correct audience is included and that your exclusions are working as intended. Finally, when you're satisfied with all the settings, you can proceed to send the email. By now, your campaign should be fully customized to reach the right people while excluding those who don't need to receive it. This final step is where you can hit send with confidence, knowing you've tailored your email to your audience's needs. And that's it! You've successfully excluded segments and tags from your Mailchimp email campaign. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.